What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect a Bluetooth headset to your PS5. Now over here is my Bluetooth gaming headset and it is currently being connected to my PS5. So if I play the FC25 game over here and then just put the mic on the headset, and so I believe you could hear the audio from my PS5 coming out through my Bluetooth headset over here, and that is exactly what I'll be showing you how to do in this particular video. First things first, like you might already know, if you have ever tried to connect your PS5 to a Bluetooth headset, whether it's a gaming headset or not, via the Bluetooth of your PS5, you would have noticed that PlayStation does not allow the use of third-party Bluetooth headsets. So if I come over here, you should actually be able to find your headset. So in my case, this is actually the name of my Bluetooth headset, and if I select it, you're going to notice that even though I can find it, I won't be able to connect to it directly to my PS5. And so if you actually want to be able to connect any Bluetooth headset to your PS5, you will definitely need a Bluetooth adapter like this one. Now, this over here is a 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter. It is both a Bluetooth transmitter and a Bluetooth receiver. However, what you actually need is a Bluetooth transmitter. So we are going to be using the Bluetooth transmitter feature of this particular device. I'm going to be leaving a link to this particular device in the description of this video in case you want to get it. Now, right out of the box, this one over here is a USB Bluetooth transmitter and receiver at the same time. So it actually has a USB port over here. Some actually comes with just a USB-C dongle so that you can actually connect it to any of the USB-C ports at the front of your PS5 over here. Whether you get a USB-C or a normal USB just like this one, it is actually going to work out pretty well for you as long as it is a Bluetooth transmitter. Now you're also going to notice that mine over here also comes with this headphone jack to headphone jack cable, but we're not going to be needing this in this particular video because it is actually for the receiver feature. Now all you have to do once you get this device is to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports at the back of your PS5, and once you connect it, you're going to notice that the light on this particular device will automatically start to blink, indicating that it is now on pairing mode. If yours is not put on pairing mode by default, you can go ahead and long press on this button that is usually at the center of the device, and that should actually put the device on pairing mode. Now finally, what you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Bluetooth headset is also on pairing mode, and the way you put your Bluetooth headset on pairing mode can actually differ for different Bluetooth headsets. In my case, over here I have the power button, and all you just have to do is to long press on this power button. It should turn on the device and also put it on pairing mode. So I'll just go ahead and long press on it to turn on and put on pairing mode, just like so. Now you want to give both devices some few seconds and they should automatically connect. And as you can see, they have just connected. You can literally see the indicator at the top of my PS5. You should now be able to get all of your audio and sound and even game charts from your PS5 to your Bluetooth headset. At this point, you're also going to notice that the light that was blinking on your Bluetooth adapter will become steady, indicating that it has also connected with your Bluetooth headset as well. If after doing this, you're still unable to get the audio, what you can actually do is to head over to the settings of your PS5, and then you want to scroll over to the sound settings over here, select that. Now go over to audio output, select that, and then under output device, you want to make sure it is set to USB headset, which is actually the device we have just connected to our PS5. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.